Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, I will give you bounce transition for Premiere Pro. Let's see how you can use it in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, I have 2 clips. Go to Project Window and import bounce transition. After that, double-click on transition, it will take you in another timeline. Just drag and drop the transition between both clips. This transition is totally free. You can download it, free link in the description below. I hope you like this one. If you like this one, give thumbs up and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.